Hi guys, so different setting today. I just want to try a few bits out. Today I am in my newly arranged kind of closet office guest room thingy, which I decided yesterday to rearrange a bit. Today I have the kind of hair which looks amazing in real life but horribly stupid on camera. Today, new setting. I don't know if I'm keeping it, probably not. There's a lot of stuff in the background. I don't know. Please ignore it for today. I will sort that out. I just quickly wanted to film a little current most used makeup look, which is the one I'm wearing now, which you will see how I did it and which products I used soon. I just wanted to throw together all the things I mostly use at the moment, not necessarily like favorites per se like I usually do in my makeup videos, but just the things I mostly use, or two things which I got new, which is the eyeliner and the lipstick, which you will see right at the end. Lipstick first impression is amazing, eyeliner not that much, but I won't go too much into that in today's video, maybe in the next one. Or in the next like favorites makeup video. So also I'm very happy with my hair today, how it turned out basically. Yeah, just quickly. I really finally seem to get the hang of it on how to curl it with my GHD gold styler. So yeah, quickly that, now zooming in so you won't see the mess. So I wanted to do something a little bit more autumnal, so we have purpley and like reddish vibes today, and I really like how it turned out. I hope you like it too. So if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look and what products I used, keep on watching and I hope that you like it. guys, so look done. You will have seen everything I did. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it. Let me know in comments down below what you think about it. Also, I thought about maybe doing a hair routine video. I don't know if you would be interested in that, since there are like so many others who probably do it a lot better, but since I'm finally seeming to kind of get it, maybe I can share a few things I learned with you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and to let me know if I should do more of this, just quick throwing together makeup looks, or if I should do them differently. Let me know in the comments below. Like I said, I want to make videos you like, so I hope that you let me know. And otherwise, I hope that you have a wonderful time. I am very excited about the autumnal vibes everywhere. I can't wait for autumn, and I hope that you're doing fine, and that I will see you soon in my next video. Take care, have a wonderful time, and thank you so much again.